Storage again, and as you can see, the assembly is complete. There you go. That's the output to be connected to the amplifier, and here we go, coming to shot. That's the plug, so I'll plug that in. Oops. Yeah, that's on. Right, folks. Moment to truth. So here we go. Module. I've adapted a 3.5 jack to a 4.0 jack. Solder that on. And connection for the plug. And now all I've got to do, I just slide this in. And come around to the front. Alright, let's turn that on. There we go, folks. Power to the unit. Okay. So all I've got to do now is put on the front panel, plug it into the amplifier, plug it into the passive speaker, and that's it. Project completed. That's all for now, folks.